Are you tired of manually performing calculations and wasting valuable time? Do you struggle with managing and analyzing data in Excel? Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. By understanding the basic formulas and functions in Excel, you can streamline your workflow and easily manipulate data to make informed decisions. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, this video will provide you with essential Excel skills to take your data analysis to the next level. Excel is a powerful tool that can help you to organize, analyze, and visualize data. Understanding the basic formulas and functions in Excel is essential for working with data in spreadsheets. In this video, we will cover the following topics: understanding basic Excel formulas and functions, using arithmetic operators in formulas, using functions such as sum, average, max, and min, copying formulas and functions to multiple cells. Excel formulas and functions are used to perform calculations and manipulate data in spreadsheets. A formula is a mathematical expression that begins with an equal sign and uses arithmetic operators, cell references, and values to calculate a result. A function is a pre-built formula that performs a specific task, such as adding numbers, finding the average, or counting cells. Excel uses the standard arithmetic operators for basic mathematical calculations. These operators include plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and forward slash for division. You can use parentheses to group calculations and control the order of operations. For example, if you want to add the values in cell A1 and B1, the formula would be equals A1 plus B1. Similarly, if you want to add the values in cells A1, B1, and C1, the formula would be equals A1 plus B1 plus C1. You can also use a combination of cell references and values in the addition formula. For example, the formula equals A1 plus 10 will add the value in cell A1 with 10. Excel has many built-in functions that can perform a wide range of tasks. The most commonly used functions include sum, average, max, and min. The sum function adds up a range of values, while the average function calculates the average of a range of values. The max function returns the highest value in a range, and the min function returns the lowest value in a range. The syntax for the sum function is equals sum range. The range argument can be a range of cells or cell references that you want to add up. For example, to add up the values in cells B2 to B5, you can use the formula equals sum B2, B5. Once you have created a formula or function in Excel, you can easily copy it to multiple cells. To do this, select the cell that contains the formula or function, and then click and drag the fill handle, the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell, to the cells where you want to copy the formula or function. Excel will automatically adjust the cell references in the formula or function to match the new locations. Here the example of B2 plus 10 is taken. In this video, we covered the basic formulas and functions in Microsoft Excel, including arithmetic operators, common functions such as sum, average, max, and min, and how to copy formulas and functions to multiple cells. By mastering these skills, you can efficiently work with data in spreadsheets and make data-driven decisions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.